Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and today we will learn how to use HyperCam 2 to record screen. In my last video, I explained the different softwares required to create basic but fluent video with voiceover, animation, cutter joiner, etc. So if you also want complete list of these softwares, you can go through with that video. I shared the link in the description. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin with HyperCam 2. So the very first thing which we need to do here is to download HyperCam 2 software itself. So let's open Google Chrome and let's type download HyperCam 2. So we can use first link in the search result. Click on it. On the right hand side, you can see there is an option to download HyperCam. On the bottom left, there is an option to download whether it is for 32-bit operating system or whether you want to download it for 64-bit operating system. So to know which operating system my laptop is using, press Window E. This will open Window Explorer for you. Right click on my computer and click on Properties. So here you can find against which operating system your laptop is running on. My laptop is running on 64-bit operating system. So let's download the 64-bit version of HyperCam 2. Click on it. It will hardly take a couple of seconds. So just double click on it and complete the installation process by yourself. So after installation, open HyperCam 2 software and this is how it looks in Windows platform. So when you open HyperCam, this screen will pop up to you. First screen, which is screen area, is really important. And this will decide how much area gets recorded when you run HyperCam. Not only you can record complete screen with this software, but if you want to record only part of your screen, you can do that as well with this software. To achieve this, these two buttons will help you. To select custom area, click on select region. Let's double click on it. And with the help of cursor, you can select the area you want to record. If you select this much only, then the portion of area will get recorded. And you can also see the value of X and Y axis. Its width, height changes automatically. Another option which is available here is select window. When you click on it, it will start blinking from corners. And try to automatically set the size of your window where your content is available. Alright, another option is to record complete screen, and this is the most common requirement of any new YouTuber. For this, there are two options available. Option 1. Either select area with the help of your cursor manually by selecting area of your laptop screen, which we just did with the help of select region. Option 2 is to take help of these four fields: Start X, Start Y, Width and Height. As our requirement is to capture whole screen of a laptop, we need to set the value of Start X and Start Y to 0, which also means starting point is the top left corner of a laptop. And to know what should be the value of width and height, we need to identify the resolution of our system. So let's identify the resolution of our laptop. For this, let's go to desktop by pressing Window D. Right click on your desktop, display setting. And within display resolution, you can see the resolution on which your laptop is running on. So my laptop is running on 1920 into 1080, which is a full HD resolution. So this is the exact setting we need to specify on my HyperCam as well. So my width will be 1920. And my height will be 1080. So now my HyperCam software is ready to capture the whole screen of my laptop or desktop. There are some other options available when recording. I'm not going to cover all those. You can explore them by yourself. The important one is hide HyperCam windows. So if you select this option, this window gets disabled or gets hide during recording. But my question is, if screen gets hide, how will you stop the recording then? The answer is in the next screen. the hotkeys. These are nothing but a shortcut keys. You can use them to start recording, pause, stop, etc. And if you want to change this setting, just double click on it and select the key as per your convenience. Next setting is AVI files. This page will determine the quality of your file which gets recorded. So the first thing which you need to do here is to define the AVI file name. This is the output path of your recorded file. Second is add sequential. This is automatically add the sequence number towards the end of your file. For example, if you select the name as Programming Concept 001 against AVI file name, then next file will automatically add 002 and 003 so on in a sequential way. You can put the other settings like record to 10, playback to 10, frame capture ratio to 1, and set 100 frames in every keyframe, so you can leave it as it is if it is by default in your HyperCam 2 software. Else you can set it like this. Next one is really important, which is video compressor. In this setting, you need to select the full frames uncompressed to get the best quality video from HyperCam. Next is frame compression quality. Leave it to 100%. And the last one is limit screen capture to max 24-bit per pixel. So in my case, it is giving a good output, so you can try with both check and uncheck. Next setting is sound. And the very first option available here is record sound from. So if you are using a default speaker of your laptop and without microphone or anything, both the settings will work for you. Second one is number of channels. Here I use 2 stereo. Third option is sample size. So here I selected 16-bit, and within the sample rate I selected 44100 samples per second. So within sound setting, this is the overall configuration which I am using to record my laptop screen. So the last setting is options. It deals with what should be the behavior of mouse during recording. So if you want to record cursor, check this option, record cursor. Else uncheck this. From the sub option you can select from screen or custom. I selected the custom option. If you want to record the click during recording, select this checkbox. Set the size of star. When you click on the screen, my setting is 6. You can increase or decrease as per your convenience. Last one is to record the sound of your mouse click. That's it. So now your HyperCam is ready to do good quality screen recording. So try it yourself and start creating your own video. Alright, but wait, there is one problem. This is the dummy file which has been recorded by HyperCam 2. And you look at the length, it is hardly 50 seconds. And when I right click on properties, its file size is 2.93, which is huge, and that is seriously not acceptable. So in the next video, we will learn how to reduce the size of video which we had just created with HyperCam 2. Till then, thanks for watching.